Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to view payment history on Peacock TV. To view your payment history on Peacock TV, first of all open your web browser. Now go to the URL box and type in peacocktv.com and search. Make sure that you're logged into your Peacock TV account like you normally would. And once you're inside the main home page, go ahead and click on your profile avatar at the top right corner. Now, click on Account button at the top right under Who's Watching. This will then open up the Accounts menu where you will need to click on the Plans and Payment option. Scroll down from the menu and click on View Payment History. Once you click on View Payment History, you will see the payments from the current month, upcoming payments, and previous payment from the last 12 months. If you haven't made any previous payment from the account, you will see this kind of an interface. So that is how you can easily view your payment history on Peacock TV. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.